Your Grow Nebraska weather, as always, we start out with the drought monitor. And, well, it hasn't really changed in the extreme category, but up a little bit as far as the severe category is concerned in Nebraska. But there is more of the Panhandle and southwest Nebraska in the drought-free area, the southwest part of the Panhandle, I should say. And, of course, an area in parts of central and eastern Nebraska that has actually shrunk up a bit since last week. Abnormally dry, still wrapped around eastern Nebraska. Moderate drought northeast, severe heading right across the Sandhills, and now a new area popping up. And that's the northern portion of Lincoln County right into Logan County, now considered extreme in the drought. Also, that area in southwest Nebraska and the western third roughly of Kansas, extreme drought conditions, abnormally dry up along the Kippahaw River and then wrapped around in the eastern part of the Panhandle. Otherwise, a big share of Kansas, a severe drought situation, moderate southeast Nebraska and roughly the eastern third of Kansas. Kansas, by the way, has really climbed as far as the severe, now over 80%. Extreme has ramped up as well, over 48 and nearly a third percent of Kansas under the extreme drought situation. So we need some moisture. Looks like the next 6 to 10 days out, near normal across most of Nebraska, above average. Southeast Nebraska, temperature-wise, most of Kansas above average in the temperature category. 30 days out, below average temperatures expected right into the northwest part of Nebraska's Panhandle. Above average over the extreme southern counties of Nebraska, most of Kansas, temperature-wise, and of course the west coast into the Salt Lake City area or just west of there, and then the Florida area as well, equal chances elsewhere. As far as 3 months out, below average over the northern states and the Great Lakes region as well, and it looks like equal chances for normal temperatures across Nebraska and also a big share of Kansas. Above average temperatures over the southern third roughly of Kansas, the west coast, Florida, and the east coast as well. Above average, that's what we're looking at as far as precipitation is concerned across Nebraska. There is this little area right here that does include southeast, eastern Nebraska, which is a better than above average chance for precipitation being above normal, and the same holds true for Kansas. That is good news. And that's really following in line with what our forecast is looking like. Above normal for Nebraska and Kansas precipitation-wise for the next 30 days, and we hope that falls true, and the same when it comes to the 3-month average. However, it doesn't cover all of Kansas, but most of Kansas, the eastern two-thirds, will be near average in the precip category 3 months out. Well, the week ahead, we should be around 77 for highs, 54 for lows. It looks like we're going to average a little bit above seasonal, temperature-wise around 81, and our lows will average around 63. That's actually been the trend for the last 3 months, about 10 degrees above as far as our weekly average is concerned for the overnight lows. And here's our proverb for the week. When bees to distance wing their flight, days are warm and skies are bright. But when their flight ends near their home, stormy weather is sure to come. So I guess the adage is, go out there this week and watch the birds and the bees. That is your Grow Report for the weather part of things for this week. You sent some pictures to us. Here they are.